I think it's time. Yes, it's time to bring history back to life.
Cool, it's amazing.
Attacks of Wheels TV. Do you like classic vehicles? Then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the like button because it does something very special. It makes you younger.
Ooh, I feel better already. Hello, classic car connoisseurs. Here's another British classic. The MGB and MGB GT. Okay, let's take a trip down memory lane. This lovely red beauty is the MGB Mk1 that came out in 1962. And this is the MGB Mk2 that came out in 67. Lovely silver MGB GT Mk3. And finally the GT V8, which first made an appearance in 1973. Okay, do you own one of these legends? Or perhaps you've recently restored one? Or have you driven one in the past? Please feel free to comment or leave a video response. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.
Please feel free to pop by at my art prints and collectibles gallery at artofwheels.co.uk. Please check out these great videos, and if your video's not included in this list, don't worry, I might add it to a future one.
Oh no, I'm afraid we've run out of time. But just before you go, please leave thumbs up below. And if you'd like to see more amazing video clips like this,
Subscribe to the channel
by clicking on the icon up in the sky. Attacks of Wheels TV.